Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to appear offline on your Telegram app. If you're interested in the video, be with us till the end. Just open your Telegram app that has been pre-installed on your device. As you open the app, you'll directly reach your chat box. Now you have to click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. As you see your profile, you have to click on the settings tab. After that, just scroll down a bit and click on privacy and security. As this page appears, scroll down a bit, scroll up a bit, and you'll have to click on this section which says last seen and online. As you click on it, you can set it up according to your own preferences. If you set it on everybody, anybody and everyone can directly see your the last time that you were active on Telegram. If you click on my contacts, only your contacts will be able to see you online. And if you click on nobody will be able to see your status on Telegram, whether you're online or offline. And if you want to add some exceptions, you can always do so by clicking on add users, then choose from these users whoever you want to mute or unmute or choose as your to make them see your last seen time. That's about it. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video or if the video was helpful, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified about all the latest updates. Thank you.